Welcome to Jotform, how to pre-populate form fields by URL parameters. Now take for example this form that we have pre-built. Let's go to publish. We're gonna go to the link. It's gonna open a new tab and the form is empty. Now how do we pre-populate these fields? Well, we're gonna work with the URL. Let's show you how this is going to look. Let's go to this link that I have pre-populated and you can see that it added the information right here. Now, how is this structured? Well, we're going to do that in this video. Now, if you need more guidance on how to accomplish this, there will be a link on the top of this video and in the description. Now, how is this link actually structured? You see that we have the link from our form, and then we start with the first name. It's going to equal, and then we added John in this case. And then we add the ampersand key to add the last name. Now, let's go ahead and drop in a field in the form. So let's go back into build. Let's go drop in a short text and we're going to pre-populate this field. Now, how do we know this is the name of the field? We're going to go into the properties. We're going to go into advanced, scroll down, field details, and here's the unique name. This is the unique name we need. So we tell it where to pre-populate this by URL parameters. So let's go into our form and we're going to go add the ampersand key because it's the and. We want to add the other field. And remember, it's called type. Let's go remember type A, okay? Type A, and it's going to be equal, and we're gonna say hello, all right? Let's go ahead and click enter. And there we go. It added the form field right here, and it added hello for us. If you wanted to pre-populate it with something else, we just switch what equal that is. For example, it could be support, okay? Go ahead and click enter, and now it says support. Now let's go ahead and pre-populate this one. This is a drop-down menu, and we have three options right here: support, accountant, and sales. Now again, we have to find out what the field name is. So let's go into advanced, scroll down, field details, and this one is called type A26. So let's tell the URL parameter that we want to fill that out. So the ampersand key, and we're gonna say type A26, and it's going to be equal. Let's say it's going to be sales. Okay, so let's click enter, and now pre-populated and it selected sales for us automatically. If we wanted to add for the email also, we can do it by finding out what the field name is. Advanced, field details, and it's called email. Okay, let's go back to our form link URL right here, ampersand key, and it's going to be email. It's going to be equal, and we're going to say test@test.com. Enter, and now it's pre-populated. And that is how you pre-populate form fields via URL parameters. Thank you for watching.